Nana's collector skin effects for the month of December is leaked. The new revamp of hero and skin release dates were also revealed. Many of the popular spells like Flame Shot have been balanced and the other emblem talents were optimized. Hi guys, Kazuki here, bringing you another exciting update on patch note 1.6.28. Also, before starting this video, we have prepared something special for you at the end of this video. So without a further ado, let's start with Link's nerf. His mobility is now nerfed. He will now gain only 4 points of energy when on walls. Farsa's Source of Burst, which is her ultimate skill, is nerfed as its damage is reduced by 50 points at all levels. Nana was mostly used as a support due to her skill attribute, so her skill 1 base damage is increased by 50 in the late game, and also the magic bonus gained from the items is increased by 20% at all levels. Ultimate slow duration is reduced by 1 second. Selena's traps now can be placed for only 30 seconds, after that it will automatically disappear. Leslie passive crit damage is increased by 20%, but her physical attack growth is lowered by 3 points. The first skill's extra physical attack is increased by 25 points in the early level. Aurora's passive now needs only 3 stacks to be activated. Her first skill width and the area of explosion are increased. Freya's second skill dash distance is slightly increased. There is a new effect while using this skill. Freya will stop upon hitting the enemies. Phylex passive is nerfed. Her chain lightning damage is reduced to 30%, but the damage to minions is increased to 150%. Skill 1 damage is nerfed according to 10% of maximum HP, but its base damage is increased. Skill 2 will no longer gain shield. Ranged basic attack damage is reduced in the early game and increased in the late game. Also, the physical and magic power bonus from items is reduced. Energy will be converted to 1.2% attack speed and 0.3 lifesteal. Her extra defense will be according to 4 magic power. Her flight mode skill 1 magic power bonus is reduced to 25% and continuous magic power bonus is reduced to 10%. The flight mode skill 2 magic power bonus is reduced to 30%. Florine's passive evolved lantern magic power is increased to 55. Shared equipment's evolved attributes is increased to 10% of physical attack and magic power, and its HP gain is reduced to 250 HP. Skill 1 base HP restoration is increased to 150 at an early level and 300 at maximum level. HP restoration on minions is reduced to 60%. Its base damage is reduced to 180 at early and 330 at maximum level. The CD of this skill is now permanently 8 seconds. Skill 2 base damage is lowered to 175 in early and 350 at the maximum level. Stun duration is shortened to 0.8 seconds. Cooldown is now 13 seconds to 10 seconds. Ultimate's HP restoration is increased by 90 points at the first level and the 120 points at the maximum level.
Nature loves everyone in a tough manner.
There are other adjustments in spells. Flame Shot slow effect is removed, but the base damage in the early to mid game is increased. Inspire will now restore HP and its attack speed cap is increased to 5 during its cast duration. AG's duration is increased to 5 seconds. Petrify will now slow down the enemy hit by 50% for 0.8 seconds. Revitalize will now heal faster. Vengeance will now deal damage according to 40% of the damage taken. Sprint will now have slower immunity during its cast duration. It will no longer increase resilience. Some of the emblems are adjusted too. Tank emblem challenge Brave Smite will now restore 10% of the maximum HP and its CD is lowered to 8 seconds. Assassin emblem challenge High and Dry talent will now deal 7% of the extra damage. Mage emblem talent Impure Rage will now restore 2% of the maximum mana, but the CD is lowered to 2 seconds. Fighter talent Unbending will now deal 0.25% damage according to 1% of the lost HP. The extra damage is increased to 20%. Disabling Strike talent's extra physical attack is reduced to 20%. CD is increased to 15 seconds. Marksman Challenge Weapon Master. All attacks during this talent activation will increase by 15% extra physical attack. Incitar is soon to get a revamp. These are the various upcoming skins that is soon going to be released. Phoveus skin will be upcoming for December Starlight. Valentina and her basic skin will be released on November 23. Eudora's Christmas Carnival is soon going to be revamped.
You should be ashamed for not trusting yourself.
Here's a preview of Lilia Star Student's painted skin. Mia's Christmas Carnival skin revamp will be released on November 23.
When the bell jingles, the party starts.
Nana's upcoming collector skin will soon be revealed. Let's check her in-game skill effects.
Mama told me not to shoot others. Power now.
Roger's M3 skin will be available on M3 Pass. Magic Chess Commander Saki's new skin will soon be released. Bursey's skin Mystic Puppet will be available on MC Pass. Brown's skin Raging Bull is yet to be optimized. Kaboom will soon be getting a new skin. These are the upcoming Sacred Statue. Here is the Halloween Sacred Statue. This will be Phobia's Sacred Statue. Roger's Sacred Statue available in the M3 Pass. These are the surveys of the upcoming skin models. This is the winner of the Paquito upcoming skin survey. Here is the Hero 115's basic skin preview. This survey skin of Bannerita won the survey and soon be coming with a new skin. This will be Cyclops' new upcoming skin. Xbox will be having a new skin similar to this survey. This is the survey of the Clint's upcoming skin. Here are some updates on the wallpaper. Here is the wallpaper of Vale's November Starlight skin. Here is the wallpaper of Phobia's December Starlight skin. This is the unfinished wallpaper of the Clint upcoming skin. Cyclops' unfinished wallpaper for his upcoming skin. Lastly, we have the event section. We have Double 11 lottery upcoming. Lancelot Hero Swordmaster skin token event will be available on the 30th of October. Transformer 4th phase ticket will be available on November 6. Lastly, we have the surveys of the upcoming M3 event.